Ebusia mechiachia mu nyina mechiachia mo kwan so nkoso ai me de pa se nyame ya adom anne ya san ba be hia wo channel yi so me pa cho na your first time a wo ba ye frame me gifty na eha gifty achisiba tv me pa cho subscribe na join the family e ma remfi se wo be share na wa like nso so ama afoforo enye bia hwe me de ne me ya na lifestyle content na pharmacy me chira ma brabo siri ma brabo kakra south abrabo kakra na me kan ro nso ho asem weni je ho a me pa cho share ma amanfo nso nhwe bi ene me pese me de mo ko KINTAMPO waterfalls yenkohwe ye ni so ade twede ampo nyankopon obo ne ma na obo nsuo na obo nipa yenkohwe nsuo pa nyankopon abo ne fe etene sei na baby efiri ya ba etene de nyankopon ko anenim ye kwa KINTAMPO wo Bono East anka ne wo Bono ahafo na so se de wo Bono East me pa cho hwe vlog ikosi me say wani beje ho se na ma ore mfi se obe like ya mama why
so we went somewhere and we branched at the KINTAMPO waterfalls. I have never been here before. I'm very glad I'm coming here. So we want to buy a ticket now, then we can enter. Okay, please subscribe and join this beautiful family if you haven't.
Wonim bibi ansa na obewura mu no ade se okokoto ticket wo hwe wo no ho a omo rate mu obi ya nkwala o mpanyimfo ahoho wo ye Ghana ni wo nye Ghana ni o nyina ye wodi wutu ya ansa na wewura gate mu na compound no so mo siesie na kama unhu se fin bia wo ho unhu bibi basabasa bia
This is our tickets. 20 cedis for adults.
Ti se ni osi hu ye no ye tua 20 cedis ha se so signboard kakra na si ho aye ma ye nyina akwa aba in fact ho ye kama wo nti winya adaje a wetimi de wabusuan akọ na makwa akọhwe nsuo ye refresh na nkasa ebi wa mutimi tu kwan obekọ aba no na ahoden no kra ye foforo ohun line no nti winya ho a ye akọ KINTAMPO waterfalls kọhwe wani so ade why omo chairs wo ho omo barbecue stands omo we utimi hang canopy na wa nkasa kra akọ wonam waye ne obeye bia wo ho ni nyina bi wo ho na se wa winim sa pepo de wo sane a kama nkasa kwa na wokọ sane pepo kama na se wo fura wo de obetel pin na se ne ye bapa ni si tips so no hey guys nyasem ketwa wo de maminya mo na mo hwe bi ye be san ba be kasa
The one here now the prepare. Come by one. Guys, this is my first time here, but I like the scene. It's very nice. Whoa. I like the scene. Oh my God. Take a look at this. There's a walkway up here, but this can be very scary. Away. This can be very scary. Wow. Woman, you know, the VL pump. Hey, where are my Dagbani people? Woman VL. Okay. Guys. The water is falling. Wow. Guys, we are down here. Unfortunately, we didn't bring swimming costume, so we cannot change. We're just passing by and we decided to come see the beauty of what this land holds. See. Wow. This place is nice. Bravo Joanne. The sun is shining. Okay. We are going back. And hey, they're not coming to climb the stairs. Easy. With the exercise, me ba me answer me so better papa. I'm very tired. This is very tiring, no. Ready? Yeah. Oh, but how waterfalls and so bad, G. Oh, my heart rate has tripled.
Senka video we ye twi movie pa na nka meyi a nka obeti mama ni hunu part 1 and 2 nti ha se ya forosoro na ya ba betina ka anim e we se wonya ade enwunwunu bi be chile wakoma fi se hyew no enye easy wase ho wo hu line no mama mama pictures kama metwitwa wase ho e feyie me bra no mama ne omokoye e na nsuo no hwe ne fe ne fe when till was subscribe mama why follow me page we follow Gifty Achisiba TV like it now share why no now for please subscribe and like. I'll see my next vlog.